Rochelle Plumstead here, Remax East Coast Elite. Welcome to this week's Movin Up Minute. So you've bought a house in the last couple of months and closing's coming up. When do you get the keys? Great question. First thing we need to do is we're going to do a walkthrough. Now, if you're not here, then you can assign somebody to do this walkthrough for you. But we want to make sure that your new home is ready for you. It's clean, the appliances work, everything that was supposed to be included in the purchase is there, there's no garbage, all that sort of thing. We want to make sure that your moving day is ready for you to move right in. So let's say that's good. You let your lawyer know. From there, your lawyer needs to get the money from the bank. You need to keep in mind that all banks have different rules and regulations of when they release funds, and also, is it in our time zone? These days, there's a lot of people moving here from out west, and if your bank, is in British Columbia, you need to allow for that time change. We hope and pray that you're going to get your keys by lunchtime the day of closing, but please do not book your utilities like Bell or Rogers to come that day. Hopefully you don't have your moving truck landing at 10 o'clock that morning. Hopefully you don't have family all lined up to show up at 8 o'clock that morning, because you cannot go in your new home until it's officially yours. You are not allowed in there because you can get charged with trespassing and all kinds of bad stuff. So don't make any major plans for that day because things can go wrong. They don't normally, but they can. So my advice is have your closing day as your special day that you can go in and maybe move some things that evening if you want to. But the following day is always a little bit safer. I also advise that you try not to close on a Friday, and you really try not to close on a Friday of the last day of the month, because then what do you do if something happens? You're stuck with no home for the weekend. So there's my take. If you have more questions, get a hold of me. I'm happy to answer them. Have a great weekend. Moving up, moving over, moving out. If you've got questions, I've got answers. Have a great day.